let's talk about some of the better things about this home that I like. First of all, we've got really open concept here, living, dining, right back over here. So easy to entertain, and everybody, I guess, can see each other. Also, got a stainless steel appliances, a wood pellet stove. Second good thing about this house is right out this way. You got a great deck out here with lots of sun. You got fruit trees, you got a little greenhouse for those with the green thumb. Nice little yard, just enough, but not too much to take care of. And another benefit about this house is location. It's just down Lily Road, real close to hospitals, shopping, jump on I-5 really quick. So your commute's gonna be real quick, going north or south. All right, back in here, let's take a look at the bedrooms and bath down this way. There we go. First bedroom right off here, decent size. See, we've got a queen in there, no problem. Here is the bath, granite countertops, unit bath and shower. Second bedroom, similar size to the first, and into the master. Here's another nice thing. As you see, you got a nice size king, got plenty of room here. You've got his and hers, granite countertops. Again, the bath here, and then a nice, large walk-in closet for all your things. All right, let's just head out here. Once again, you got open concept, beautiful backyard to sit in, out there on the deck. Perfect for entertaining. You got wood pellet stove. And finally, let's take a look at the garage. Nice 2-car garage. And back in here, you've got energy efficient gas furnace and water heater, which are great. Make sure the last person isn't taking a cold shower. All right. Well, thanks for joining me today. Come give me a ring or text me, give me an email, and come see the home. Thanks. Bye now.